in just a moment. Approaching the 3-minute mark. Approaching 3 minutes now. Event for you, we are going to do the chugging championship of the world. At the far end of the table, we start with John Montoni. Is that right, John Montoni? Then Daryl Hagwood, Chuck Toohey, Aidan Parker, Chris LaFawn, Teresa Ween, Prudence De Benedetto, and Brett McCabe. Now, these are some of the greatest chuggers in the nation. However, you may know the chugging champion of the world. And I will bring him up now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to come over to Badlands. What we're drinking today, and everybody can take the cap off of their liquid now if you like. 1 gallon of Nathan's Lemonade, and the record is held by this man, Badlands Booker, 23.8 seconds for a gallon of lemonade, which is just good common sense because it frees up so much time to do other things around the house for the rest of the day. Get all your drinking done in 23 seconds. He's going to see if he can break that record here today. We're 1 minute out, and we'll do this. Hold tight for 1 minute. Reigning champion Badlands Booker, 23.8 seconds for a gallon of Nathan's Lemonade. But we will see if that record is broken here today. Count it down with me from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Badlands in a zone here. I don't know the. It's like a wave machine. Ladies and gentlemen, Badlands Booker, a new world record. 21 seconds, a new world record. 1 gallon of Nathan's famous lemonade. The once and future champion of the world, Badlands Booker. 21 seconds. And here is the blue. Badlands Booker, unbeaten.